This test, live test, hello. This test. Long time no see. Yes, hello, hello. Let me go update. Link. Here. Okay, hopefully that will be better and I won't forget to change it next time, so it works in our favors. Alright. Let's see, where was I? Thank you for the stream. Silly. Which one is this? The evening night deja vu. Hello, Death. Welcome back. Yeah, I think you two are the only ones watching, so should be okay like that. Hopefully this is better. I set it low latency, which is what I usually have it on. We're looking at this 5A. I know this 5A is copied into monster data. And considering it's right next to my name, I have a feeling that it is part of my character data somehow. I don't know exactly how or what that could be, but it does seem to be after my name in multiple instances. Where does monster data start? CA, C1, was it? Yeah. That is 149 bytes. Yeah. Looks like garbage. Much better, thank you for slowing things down for my brain. Slowing things down to your Wi-Fi, really. Hopefully, Stream Elements figures it out. It doesn't seem to have, rejoined the new one. I'm not sure that I can actually tell it to do that. Let's see. Oh my lord. Go to my stuff. What is wrong with you? I need to update your details. Okay, now I can switch to YouTube and check out the bot. Says he's in my chat. Oh. Did he say that in the current chat? Must have said that in the old one. The bot is in your chat. I'm gonna part him and then join. And we'll see if that works. Hopefully that works. Well, we'll find out. Does it show up? No? It's Bustard. Aww. This one work? Playing with stream sets instead of doing what I came here to do. YouTube alerts. Not chat alerts, regular chat. I think I have. Don't you? Or is that? Shoot. I don't remember how this works. Oh, I have a chat message. 2D text log. Whoa. I see it's on a different 2D text log. Which one did that go to? Not the whole overlay, oh no. Gosh. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're just going to put it in there. And go look at where the other one went. What? Text level. How strange. Oh, I see. There we go. Perfect. Now we can clear that. And set your... Hello, I cleared it. Dummy. Okay. And then turn that back on. Change tile and disassembling YouTube. Okay, hopefully that works. It might be without chat. I don't care enough though. That's about the extent of my care anyways. Sorry guys. Maybe Stream Elements will just fix itself at some point. I will read the messages as usual though, so not a big deal I suppose. So what I wanted to see was... All good, reading is overrated anyways. Yeah. No problem. CAC1, it's some sort of master data thing. Comes after player name in... I mean, it's obviously in... Comes after player name. Okay. Now we can get to where we wanted to be. I see it's going to just jump down here and copy the breeding monster data. Are these numbers the same? CAD6, CAD8? They are, okay. So it does seem to be that it copies the father into the first slot. So I say this is pedigree name, but this is changed. It is the dad, and not the pedigree. So it does, wait. Hold on. Yeah, because the breeding monster's the male. Yeah, that's the dad's name. And then, other monster. Changes to mom. So wide. Okay. Still too wide. Idea of dad. Master name for dad. Name for mom. Okay, now we can go to here and change those. Agree is dad ID now. Make sure those are on. We want to only replace the variables, not our attributes, not anything else. What is with this? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what these are for. Okay, we'll figure that out. Master identifier. I'll just go with the forward. I know where those are supposed to be. Identifier. They were all just in here for this function. Oh man, I see. That screwed me up a while back when I was rereading this. So yeah, don't name your monsters after yourself, but I guess it doesn't matter too much because the pluses would have to be the same as whatever your hidden number is. Master ID, I suppose. I don't know what that is. What else we got for pedigree? Pedigree name and pedigree pluses. Change that to dad names. Pluses. Other. Place all. Is that all of them? Do believe. Was there nothing between these? Huh. Okay. Okay, I believe that is it. We can go back to the function now. Okay. Right, so this is going to be in dad section, so we want to find this same thing here. CB44 right there. Okay. And just place it there. Now CB44. So if we go into the memory viewer, and we can look at DE is D6FB. Right there, yep. That is indeed the name. Then CB44 we step into, and we want to get the selected monster index. So that's D116. Right here. So this should be 131. Right there. 132. Double monster 11. I do believe it's just filling in the first empty slot here. So yeah, that's 132 bytes. So then if we look at something that has data, like you, or that's Jerry's spot. I think that is Jerry's spot. 132. Yep, that's the name. How odd. It must be off by 1. What is 68 plus? Yeah, C, X, X. Oh, it is part of the resistances. So I just added an unknown in here for no reason, I guess. Okay, there we go. Like that. 83. Did I remove the F-zeros? No. 87. And that should be B, I think. So 7, 8, 9, and A are part of the F-zeros. Okay. And B is the pluses. Let's see. 90. That makes more sense. Alright, we just had a rogue unknown in there. Okay, I think everything's fixed over here now. So dad name is the pedigree monster dot name. Oh, except yeah, I'm in the female on the branch, but we're still reading this one. Okay, okay. So go jump to return, then I can go back up here. So we have read the name in, that was this one. And now we do CB4C. CAC1, there we go, CB4C, 8B. 8B is the pluses. If you don't like any of these new songs, by the way, let me know. I will move them. This one's a bit weird. Not terribly against it, but it's definitely weird. Okay, we're moving that from D6C7 is 62 pluses. Makes sense. Pedigree monster dot pluses. Mostly just making sure that I have all the data marked. Okay, so now we're here, right? Or do we do that? No, we just did that one, so we're here. CAD7. Oops. $116. That's way too far. Oh, CAD7. My bad. 16. Actually, Bob's had the BGM. Yeah, this one's a bopper for sure. A bop, sorry. AD716, sorry, monster ID of mom. Oh, it does all of them. Okay, fair enough. So surely this is the breeding monster. We'll go take a look though. D703. Yep. Perfect. This, alright. And surely this is just doing the same sorts of things, so... That was the... Is that the mom ID? CAD7. Oh no, that was this one. From D703. Then CAE1. What happened? 20. Master name for mom. Did I not do the mom master name? I did not. Stop it. Replace all one of them, yes. Okay. Breeding monster. Dot master name. Surely. I probably should have gotten the offset here. Okay, so that's breeding monsters. Address is 6FA. This is the 703 and D706. 9 and C, same as before, right here. Okay, CAE9. Oops. CAE9 from CA4A again. Wait, CA... Here we go, CA... E9, 28. 28 should be... Huh? I was expecting it to be here. Let's take a look. So if we look at you, 49, after the master name for mom, so we have the master name master name first, and then the master name for the dad here, and then the this question mark here. Let's go to Jerry's actually. This will be more informative. Okay, so this is the master name. an unknown. I don't know, maybe that's 7. I don't remember. The ID's here. The master name for the dad. Question mark here. Then the master name for the mom. And a question mark there. And then J4 7RSH. Starts here, yes, J4s. That would be 26, 27, 28. There's 3 bytes here that I don't know what they are. Ugh. God. There we go. Those 3 bytes here that I don't know what they are. Don't have them written down at all. I don't even know what size they are. Probably just 3 bytes. It claims to be writing into there, unless I read it wrong. CAE not. No? Do 28. So it's writing into this one, the 07. However, it is writing CA4A again. How odd. Considering Jerry doesn't have that, I suppose that is this is the path for breeding on my own, I suppose, and then maybe when you're breeding with an NPC or breeding over a link cable, it does something else, perhaps? Won't be able to do the link cable one, I don't think. Maybe. Maybe I should look at NPC breeding. For now, we will go ahead and just look at what this is. We at least know that 28 is a byte. The same as 1F. I think that's correct. What happened to all those values? So we're looking for CA4A. CAE0. An F, yes. Okay. That works. Now, that probably does not have a number yet, but if we go to the skill IDs, skills here. That is 4S, I don't think that's correct. Should be the dot master name, and an unknown, and the mom master name, and then an unknown, but not 4S. But we can make this one 3S and make this one the B. That would be correct. Okay. I don't think those were referenced at all, so it should be fine. Yep. Okay, so this one's unknown 10. And we say egg dot unknown 10 equals this again. Okay. That was the CAE9 one, yep, so right here. Okay, and we are here now. CB4D. CB4D. Is 8C. Mom's name. Name. And copies that, and we have CB55. Oops. Is 94. That's the pluses. Egg dot mom pluses equals breeding monster dot pluses. Surely. But we'll double check it as I've been doing. D7 5C 62. Yep, that looks right. Alright, and then it returns. Perfect. Now the other one, this one here, is probably should do as I normally do in here real quick. Write down the address. That's 1642AA. And the mail case was at 164241. There we go. 1641. Okay, and we go through here. These should be essentially the same. I'm just going to quickly check. So we got CAD6, CAD3, CAE0. D8, E0, CD44, CP4C, CAD7, C4A, CAE1, CAE9, CP4D, CP55. Those look correct, yes. D6, C7, 703. There we go, 703. 706. Yep. Looks good to me. I don't want to pedantically check every little thing. I'm pretty sure that's fine. So it's the same code. It simply switches the pedigree and other around, unsurprisingly. Does it do unknown 7 and unknown 10 the same? CA. Here we go. CAE0 first. And then CAE9 second. That seems correct. Okay, good. So this becomes... Whoops. Ah! There we go. Alright, that was not so bad, was it? Took a while, but not so bad. Now that we have that done, let's see. We will name this as copy parent data. We can probably presume that that this is all of the parent data that there is, so that none of the missing data here is related to the parents, surely. Directly, anyways. Right, and now we need to look at C8490. Let's jump to here. Now we are back to... Go away. Back to... right after this call here. Right here. Let's hop on in. Oops. I did the wrong button. Oh man. Okay. That's fine. We'll just jump. Well, I probably should add that to symbols list, huh? So this was A and D E, I believe. Or no? B and D E. Very well. Put that in A. DE plus equals 1. Stop it. Then call label 5843. I assume I haven't done, yeah. Okay, so this is a loop for in range B. It stored those, then decreased B, and then jumps back to the start, and then returns at the end. Alright. I assume this takes the A, but we will see. Surely that's what it does. Oh, that's this one right here. Fancy that. Yep. For what it's worth, I don't know if this is clear. Because I've kind of skimmed over it every time I've done this, but when you call a function, you have to pass data to it, right, as parameters. In order to determine what those are in assembly, there's two ways. You can either push the data onto the stack, like it does here, but that's not the reason it's pushing it here, but that is one of the ways you can do that. You can write into RAM somewhere, or you can put it into a register. When you're doing embedded systems like this, like Game Boy, you tend to put it into a register because they're faster. Registers are the fastest. So in order to determine which registers are being quote-unquote passed as arguments to a function, what you do is you go into the function and you look to see what registers are referenced before they've been set. So you can see in this function that it doesn't actually set A before being used. This is actually the first use of A here, this add, because add adds into A. It's A plus L, and then sets the result to A. I take that back. This is the first use. It compares A to FF. Yeah, and you just do that for all of them that seem like they might be passed. And at this point, we've only shown that it's A, but perhaps like D or something is used in here, and we just haven't seen it yet, right? So that's how I do that. So if A equals OXFF, then return. Then otherwise, we are adding to HL, or HL equals, rather, OX 5. Doesn't quite seem right, but suppose that is just the bank. It's 4874 rather, and it's figuring out the address for me. But for our purposes, we actually do want this address. It's better. Then it does the 16-bit add here of A into HL. Do that. And then say A equals ROM HL. And we do another comparison. If A equals close OX FF, return. That's this part here. And it pushes A in the flags. Surely just for the A. And get selected monster address. So CAF2 should compare to CAC1. That is offset 31. The inherited skills. Okay, what is it doing with the inherited skills? HL equals selected monster dot inherited skills. I don't know what the selected monster is in this case. Is it the egg? Possible. It is. Not selectable monster, my bad. Okay, so we want to pass the egg into here. Egg, selectable monster. So we will go ahead and pass the egg, same as we have been through here. Okay. Where? So this is a little wrong, but I'm gonna leave that for the moment. Okay. 19 loads C. A is this address from earlier. Okay, and then we load actually, we found this tells us here, since this is a fixed address, I believe it is ROM 4874. 4874. This one. Oh right, it's not that it's 0, it's due to some other issue. Sorry. The banking is not right at the moment. So it is 0. This is not the right location. That's the problem. Okay, so it says what is this doing? Okay, it loads. And if it's equal to for A in inherited skills, that's essentially what it's doing. Because inherited skills, I believe, is yeah, 25. Okay, okay. So it's going through each of the inherited skills in the egg, which I presume have already been copied over or something. And comparing it to this number that it looked up. So if A equals C, then it returns, and if A equals OXFF, then it loads Wait, is it inherited skills? Is that correct? It is correct. Okay, okay. So if it is equal to FF, then it writes so we need to do this. Enumerate returns the index as well. It allows us to write into this value, which is what it's doing here. It's writing C into here, which C is this 0 that it looked up. Right? Double check this, because it's very strange to me. It is what it did. Goes to, loads in a static address, adds A to it. Oh, because adding the A to it, so it's an offset from the static address. Right, that's fair enough. So we don't know that this is 0. It's some offset into a table. We'll figure that out, I suppose. Now, where was I here? Okay, so it writes that and then it returns. So then if it's not 0, it increases HL by 1, that goes to the next inherited skill. Decreases B by 1, that's the count, the size of this. And then loops back, Okay, so that's the entire loop. Okay, I don't understand this function. I guess we'll have to look at that table. Quite a large table. Assuming this is all part of it. Suppose we don't know what A's can actually go in there yet. So what A's can go in there? We get the A from DE here, so we have to know what's in DE. So what can we call this? Giving DE as DA39. DA39, DA39, D68E, and D723. Okay, okay. I happen to know this data from, I believe, the base table. It does tell us here. Source is ROM 35EC9, so let's check the table real quick. Stop. Which table? Is it this one? Five E D0. Here we go. So that's 5EC0. So 5EC9 is, let's see. This is C0 is the zombie. C1. It's not supposed to be bytes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. So it would be this 11 here. Okay, what was B in this case? Three. So it's taking this 11, this 8, and this B. Perhaps that's the skills. We can look that up. 157 is... We go into the names. 157. These are in hexadecimal. $90. Should be Pewter Pup, right? Yep. Okay, so let's go look up Pewter Pup's base skills. Dragon. Oh, no, I know where to do that. So, Peter Pup is a zombie. His base skills are slow, sap, and magic back. Got skill names somewhere. Which one was it? Ah, here we go. Alright, so we're looking at 11, 08, and 0B. 11. Ordain. Oh, 08 and 0B. 08, explode at 0B, infirmos. Nope. So it's not the skills. I wonder if we can find them. Sap is 1C. There's a 1C. Low. 20. 20. Magic back. 27. Right there? Okay, cool. So we know where the skills are now. And it was not those... Hold on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9... Oh, it was this 11. 11 OD 11. Okay, okay. So we know that the... I'm gonna go to my note on this table. Not the notes on this table. You. Okay. Family unknown EXP table index. And we have 3 unknown. 3 unknown bytes, right? That's, we don't know what that is. And then we know the 3 bytes are skills. And then we have a couple more. I haven't actually used this table, I don't think, anywhere. Have I? It's supposed to be monster table. Hold on a second. Maybe not. What was that? Yeah, it's an index. Okay. It's a table. Entry, I see, so this is really supposed to be... Wait, that's probably a byte. That's an index. Yeah, okay, so that's the monster table. But we haven't... specifically discovered anything. I might have to go check those out again. Anyways, okay, so my point is that I haven't used these, so I can change the names, that's fine. So this is unknown 3, and then we have removed 9 from part 1. Okay, and we got 5 bytes left here, we don't know. Okay, so where were we here? Not that far. Just did that loop. Ah, right. So DA39. That's what we're looking at. DA39 and 30. Not 30. Ah! My bad. Okay. We're starting at 3-3. I was doing the math wrong. So 3-3 to 3C. No, it's 3C to 3-9. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we are copying the skills. Okay. I did the math wrong. Very well. So then, in this table, we do not know this part. We can go ahead and say this is 8. Alright. Now, the skills being copied from that table. Where have we set up that thing? DA33, it's DA34 here. Oh, interesting. So 3-4 is this unknown 1 here, so that's like pluses of some sort. Where does it set up DA 3-3 and stuff? Is that in here? Oh, I guess there's stuff that I haven't done yet. Probably is what it does. Somewhere along there anyways, so we can say we're sure that at some point that we have a egg base Monster table entry. Do you have like a read from? How does this work? I don't know. Not from buffer. I forget how big these are. They are 43. I'm just going to say I add it from RAM and just make my life easier. A class method from RAM address int returns a monster table entry. Quoted. It says return monster table entry from buffer address plus cls.size. Perfect. Now all we have to do here is say from RAM and then say DA73. Now we have egg base, and we can say unknown 3. Ah, we know what unknown 3 is now. Base.family. So unknown 3 is the family. Interesting that that's not pulled from the ID, it's just there. So you can technically change that. Odd. Per monster, I mean. Alright, and then this one is bigbase.unknown1. DA36. That would be 0. That would be 33, 34, 35, and 36 is unknown 2. Okay. Just doing 1 from there, so unknown 2 is now a single byte, and we're going to move up unknown 3 to 4. We had 2 unknown 3s. 5. It becomes 2S, and this becomes B. That's unknown 3. Okay. So that has something to do with the pluses, was it? Or no? Unknown 1 has something to do with the pluses. Unknown 2. What was this? So we didn't quite figure this part out yet. CACC. I think that's because I was getting frustrated last time. CACC is B, which should be the gender. Okay, so that is A dot gender equals 1. C899 for the RNG. Yes. Right, let's see. A is less than... Ah! So unknown 2 has something to do with the prevalence of certain genders. Good to know. So this is like, unknown 1 is like pluses when breeding. We'll just call it that. That's very long, but it's acceptable. And unknown 2 is about the gender discrepancy or thing. That would be here. It's O2. Sometimes it's O3, sometimes it's O1. Oh, sometimes it's OO. Huh. Okay, so it's 0 to 3. That is... Wait, is that... Oh, it is a... is coming from an address. Okay. It's 44cc. Might have to look at that in... while executing the function. Actually, I think we're paused somewhere close enough in that region, it should be okay. Let's go to current instruction real quick. Yeah, we're close enough. I don't think that's changed. So 4cc is actually not in RAM, is it? It should be in ROM. So if we look, 4 CC. Here we go. So we can instead say that this is it's not from RAM in the first place. Say 0. Oh, X1A OX80 OXT6 26 128 214. That means if it's a 0, this is 16 4 CC. If it's a 0, since A cannot be less than 0, that means that it will always be in male. I would bet you those are some of the bosses. There's so many male bosses. Let me see. Oh right, it is in this. Okay, who are those? Zeros. We got a lot. Everything from 200 down. C8 down. Dracolord, Hargon, Sidon, Baramos, Zoma, Pizarro, Esturk, Mirudras twice, Mudo, Deathmore 3 times, Dark Dream, Terry ? Tatsu, Diego, Samsi, and Bazoo. So yep, those are all bosses except for the last 4, which are the gods that you summon from Tatsu Call, Diego Call, Samsi Call, and Bazoo Call. We haven't actually encountered these in the game yet, but they are there. So that is a 26 and 255, right? Oh, that works. Maybe 256. No, because it's less than. I don't know math well enough for this. Yeah, if we're 1, there'd only be 0 below it. So yeah, that's how that works. Okay, so that's a 26 and 256 chance, which is 256, roughly 10%. 128 and 256, roughly 50%, or is 50%. 14, 256, roughly 84%. I assume it's 256, but I don't really want to step the RNG enough to find out. In order to be 256, you'd have to go through the RNG and see that, yes, every single value is possible in that slot. It is a 2-byte RNG, so... and I don't want to. So... unknown 2 is... gender ratio, I guess we can call it. Okay. Perfect. Now, I will write down the specifics for the gender ratio here as well. So, chance being female 1 equals 10% chance. That would be specifically 26 and 256. 2 equals 50% chance. And 3 equals roughly, what did I say, 84%? Chance. There we go. Then so rather than exactly I'm going to change this to just the bytes and say that, and then when we call this here, we can then say dot scales, and that should work. And we can do that for each of these cases where it calls from DA39 with 3. Does it really call DA393? Three times? It really does. It really does. Oh, I see. Fair enough. So in this first one, it does do a case, but all this at some point, it does call that. So what we can do instead is say how does it decide to write the monster table entry from DA31, right? Okay, so from here we can say DA31 is from the egg ID. Let me scroll up and find that. Looking for a call to C43F, I believe. Should be above here. There's an assignment to DA31. Is that the one we want? DA71? Yep, that's the one we want. Okay, so this calls 2670. Oh, that's there. This RST is the one that we're looking for here. Okay. So this, looking for this one here. What is the address of that? That is 164084. Because I want to move it up here and reorganize the code slightly, so okay, so we do that and say DA31 say the egg ID is that, and then we use the egg ID to get a monster table entry like that. That is effectively what it's doing. Now, we do not need that anymore. Oh, my bad. This one. The list of monster table entry. Ah, my bad. There we go. No, it works. No. Yep, it's a monster table entry, okay. An egg base is good up until the next call to that here. And we have done a lookup D66E, which is surely the pedigree, I think. D66E. Yes. Nine. Yep, that is the pedigree ID. Go ahead and just call that base. Monster table. Pedigree. Dot base. R.ID rather. You know, I have eggs set up like I do and pedigrees set up differently. I'm just going to change this. Oh, I see, I see. So this is indeed finding the first empty slot. Okay. Fair enough. Don't I have a list? Oh, it's just an address. Hold on, let me put that below here. I'll go ahead and say a list of selectable monsters. Okay. So then I don't remember the exact reason for this, but I imagine that it does pass that. Or the ID or something. Oh, it passes the ID here, right? So we don't need to pass this, it's just passing the whole list. So we don't do that, we can do selectable monsters. Selected monster. All right. I don't want to pass the egg around. It's more like the others. Don't need to pass that on. We don't need to have that. Pass those on. Get rid of that. Okay, good. Alright, all cleaned up. Now, where was I? Okay, we got the base here, and we say pedigree base, actually, shall we? Pedigree base. Then similar issue here, similar doing of things here. Oh, we don't need all these eggs. Then in here we have done this, so we get the breeding monster.id other base, and say other base.skills, surely. And then we have to figure out what those are. So D6AE are surely the pedigree's current skills. But we'll check. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Why did I do that? Oh, sorry. D6-8E 29 and the 6A 6FA is the other monster. D723 is 29 as well. 29 is indeed the current skills. Let's say pedigree monster dot skills. Breeding monster dot skills. Okay. So this is all about copying skills. Okay. The exact methodology of which, let's see, of which, let's see. So it goes through the list of current, or of the skills that it's selected to go through. Each byte, if it's F, it returns. It does not do any further processing. It's determined that that is the end of the list. Sorry. Then it takes that offset from 58874. Let's say A is the skills value, the skills index. It's looking into there. I'm pulling that from ROM. If that's FF, it can quits as well. I'm gonna go look at this again. I believe it's, if we follow this, that's where it goes to, right? Yep, we want to see here. Okay, this table here. How many skills are there? We have probably up to I believe that was the last one. OXDD. $221 skills. This table is 256 bytes. How many is this? $151, and then a lot of FFs. Okay, so A is, or C equals that value that it's looked up in there, which seems to be unsure, but I will take a look. Goes over the inherited skills and asks, is A equal to any of those? Was the value in the table equal to any of the inherited skills? If so, return. If it's FF, then we set it. Is this really correct? Yeah, compare from HL. HL is the monster inherited skills, right? Load it into there, compare to that. To equal return without doing anything. Oh. I think I have an idea of what this is doing. One moment. We'll check out this data one more time. For instance, the first three say 0. If we go to the skills table and look at this. Yep, the first three, Blaze, Blaze More, Blaze Most, those are the evolutions of Blaze. So they're all referring back to 0, the first one. So basically it looks into this table to determine, based on some skill you have, what is the origin skill, the skill that it originates from. And in that case, for all three of these, that would be Blaze 0. And it does that for all of them. Okay, hello, I'm back. I blue screened. My bad. Well. There we go. One moment, let's figure this out. Where was I? State, load most recent state. Okay. Don't want to skip breakpoints, but we don't want these breakpoints. Alright. Okay, let me get my terminal back. Okay. Hello. We are back. Sorry about that. What was I looking at? And your day was alright, but then it gets ruined because you tried your best in Guild Raid, but it went terribly wrong. Oh no. That... yeah, that happens. Looks like streamer bot's fixed now too. That's good. Maybe I just need to refresh. I don't know. Whatever. I need to hit 2 before midnight. I probably won't stream until midnight, maybe. Okay, where was I not there? I was here doing this. I just looked that over. So yeah, it's right. Okay, cool. So I want to go to my table script. And we're going to add a new table. Just starting to get sleepy too. 1 a.m. here. Oh gosh. Definitely go to bed if you need to, for sure. It is I'm on West Coast time, so not too late here yet. It's only 10. I do feel like we stumbled on something obvious, but interesting, I suppose, is that it's not quite formulated yet, but I believe that what this all is saying is that you inherit the base skills of what people or your parents and stuff have learned, as opposed to their evolved skills. Which, yeah, no real surprise, but yeah. Skill ID to base skill ID, huh? Vault skill ID? That's quite a name. GB. So the actual address of that is... Oh, also it cleared my playlist, so this isn't the whole thing. We might be having a reduced set here. Okay, so inspect 164874. By the way, how do I play Dragon Warrior Monsters? Is it possible to play it legally free? No. I don't know if it's on Virtual Console or anything. It's certainly not on Switch. I have the cartridge from like when I was a little kid. Yeah, I don't think there'd be any way to play it for free legally, but you can of course play it for free illegally if you're into that. Oh, wait, wait, huh? Oh. Like that. Okay, yeah. Want to get rid of the hexadecimal addresses. I did that temporarily to help myself with something and certainly got very odd. An extra GBC cartridge, but it's the Japanese version. Oh. I wonder if can they trade over, can they do the breeding over link cable? The US and the Japanese versions? But yeah, for my case, I dumped the ROM myself from my own cartridge. So, you don't know. You should absolutely be bringing over link cable if you can. You'd have to have another Game Boy. 2 GBCs or link cable. Aww. Darn. I do. I could. I don't have another cartridge though. I think the link cables aren't so bad. You can get aftermarket ones from pretty cheap. But an actual Game Boy might be. I haven't looked. But traded my 2 other old ones in exchange for the sweet mods I had someone do to my Pikachu GBC. Oh, neat. Oh, you know what you could do? If you have a Game Boy Advance, that would work. Because it's the same link cable, like the Advanced has like a I think I have an expansion to it, but it does work. So we're dumping the skills table. Let's call it a bytes table. You know what? I am going to combine that with names, I think. So let's actually just make that a thing. Buffered reader. And we go return a list version of that. Yep. That's what we want. Oh, right, say f.seek there. Okay, and then we pass f with the count. I forgot the count. Memory editor. Oh, right, there was more. Oh, I don't know. I know what to do, though. So which one is skills? Yeah, 10... or whatever. Let's just name these. I don't know what to deal with it. I'll just make this info. People, stir. Yeah, first one is... I have no idea what this is. Are these like NPC names? Lulu, Evie, Anna, Barb, Mariana, I don't know. We'll just put none and it'll make it handle that properly. Oh, that's actually this one, 4025. So that's... that's like the bug menu strings. Well, they're all strings. 39 is... these are map names for the debug menu. I do believe. Let's just call it that, shall we? 101. I don't know why it's ordered these so strangely. Oh, it's ordered these by number, and then it's decided that these aren't numbers. Fair enough. Well, like dialogue strings of some sort. Not dialogue, interface messages. I don't know. Okay, 1041E3. That's the one that we don't. I don't know what those are. 323. I believe these are related to printing variable strings into text. But I'm not completely sure about that, and I don't really want to check. I did find them in use before, but not on stream, and I don't remember the details. Okay, so that's the monster names. You know what I should do? There we go. 539 is skills. 739 is short monster names. Seven is item names. 93F. Item descriptions. Huh. I guess they're both 44, it just seemed like so much less. 997. Personality names. CD. These are like battle strings. Battle and breeding strings. No, this is battle, yeah. Who's Trock? Who is Trock? A17. Does not appear to be dumped. It's odd. Can't say then. We'll go ahead and just they must not have been indexed in the list. Oh. Okay. So where do we check here? Links. Okay, so we do info. Bucket, we have lengthy close length. Ellen length. Said none, but maybe that's a bad choice. We'll do that as a blank string. Those should be tuples also. I don't know why I did them as lists. Then we can say I don't think that matters. Pretty sure. Wait, more elsewhere. Nope. It's the bedtimes was fun to hang. See you next time. Night, Wiry. See you next time. They'll be streaming Dragon Warrior Monster tomorrow for me. 10 AM. If you are around, see you then. Have a good sleep. Just realized how long I've been working on this dump script for. become a development stream, I'm sorry. Doing a bunch of fiddly stuff, whether we even need to be doing this. Why is the BGM nodding with what her account says? Okay. I think we're good there. And then my thought is that I can go ahead and say skill names. We read the byte table and we want these skill names. Let's go ahead and get this here and say wait. Skill pointer stable pointer. Oh, string pointer table. Got read from. Oh, whoops. Okay, we don't need to pass that here. My bad. We want that to be up a level. Tables. Say the name is here. Stir. Spell correctly. Okay. Yep, and then it does that. Okay, perfect. Now we're correct. And then it gets that. We want to see the length of that. Skill. Let's call this EV. Base. And then we want to well, whatever. Okay, so with table slash skill evolved base dot csv as F2 for I do base and enumerate to base with the ID and the base thing and and then alright, f2 dot write, we want to write the f2 dot write is skill ID, skill name, base skill ID, base skill name. And we say f2 dot write AV name, base name, new line. Alright, all set. Now we can run that. Say Python DWM Python dump. No. That's fair. Similarly, just do get item return self dot strings. There we go. Now we should have the new skill evolved to. Right, it would do that, wouldn't it? Oh, not you. Guess it was on this one. Self dot value. There we go. Perfect. Ordain evolves zap. Huh. Never heard of it. Slow, speed. One thing that I do want to see from this is Mega Magic. Do you get to keep Mega Magic? You do. Good to know. Good to know. We're supposed to repeat. Okay, and then defense, you can't inherit at all. Odd. Are there multiple defense? Oh, there are. Okay, so there's one you can inherit and one you can't. And then all these specialty ones that are kind of fake can't be inherited, which makes sense. Good to know. Weird, there's 2 defenses. I wonder why. There must be a monster who can use it, but it doesn't want you to have it on that guy or something. I don't know. Very strange. Very strange. Okay, we did the thing. What else were we doing? Naming this, I suppose, but we know what it does now, right? So, I guess this is copy skill singular to egg. So in what instance does it copy and how does this work? Essentially, so the first A is if the skill that you're trying to inherit is FF, then it doesn't it. Makes sense. It doesn't end the copy, it just skips it. And it keeps going because this keeps going. Then, let's see. It checks that table to get the base. All this base are unevolved skill ID. It's a skill ID. Okay, and then okay, if you have already inherited this skill, it doesn't add it. That's what it's doing here. And then it assumes that the first FF it finds in the inherited skills availability area is it assumes there's no other skills after that, is what I'm trying to say, which is a reasonable assumption, and it puts it into that slot. Okay, that makes sense. So this section here copies the egg. Okay, the egg's base skills, right? So in this case, Pewter Pup's skills, the skills that Pewter Pups naturally learn, copies those into the inherited skills. Then it goes to the pedigree space, and copies those. And then the other space, the breeding monster space, and copies those, all those base skills. And then it copies the skills that the pedigree actually still knows, and the ones that the breeding monster still knows. So like the game, like the NPC set in game, the monster that you're breeding from has to actually learn the skills in order to inherit them, unless they're base skills for that monster. So if it doesn't look at the ones that the parents inherited when doing this, only the ones they learned and the ones they come with. All right, that is by and large the breeding algorithm. There's this section left that we didn't finish. Nods. Ah. Seven 5 and 7 6. Did it set those? It did. 14 and 15. Oh, I see, I see. I see. So this... Go back into here and see what 20. Our ID and collectible monsters. So we did not pass in here. That's fine. Okay, so this gets setting up pluses. Oh. What is CA6C? Let's actually go ahead and go back to this area and find out more information about this. So, go ahead and navigate to there. Okay. Resistance index. Forget what that's about, but good to know, I guess. Going into the first call here. So we want to see in the memory viewer what is C8, 6C, where did it come from? Comes from ROM 15485. As is the one next to it. And it was set by 15484. And 15. 16. 48.4. I see. So it was zeroed at some point. How odd. So it seems there's no circumstances under which that would have been set. Why is this a mix of load A0 and XOR A? Those are the same. They mean the same thing. Strange. Quite a few references to it. Oh, there is a right to it. So it can have a 1 in it. But it's usually a 0. I don't think I need to go through all these, sorry. Don't really know what it is, but it is 0 for our purposes. Perhaps it was set along the way, I don't know. It could be like link cable breeding or something, and in that case, it chooses the one with the higher pluses, otherwise it just will always choose the pedigree pluses as the base for this. Whatever that means. It's that into DA77. Adds the levels together, figures out the extra amount. So you always get at least one more than the pedigree. Then add more for levels. If that's over 99, set it to 99. There was another part about pluses, was there not? Oh, I called that, but it wasn't pluses. That's about the level cap. So like, base level cap or something? Fair enough. Oh, I closed that. That was... yeah, the one after family. Eh, 12. Perhaps I had this wrong. A moment, please. Family is the first byte, base level cap is the second byte, XP table index third byte. Then we have the this stuff. Okay, so yeah, it's saying the gender ratio unknown 3 skills in unknown 4 should all add up to 12. Currently, it's adding up to 14. So this is unknown 4 is too big. Okay. Six. 128, I believe. 214. Gender ratio, then we have Lock 3, read 2, and then skills. And then look 4, read 6. Resistances. Oh, 5, read 1. Okay, good. Dump. XP table index, and we say oh, it's 1%. And gender ratio. Can I think Python might have a thing for that. Is that not ratio, fraction? Is that in math? XP. What was it? Search in browser real quick. So we can say, what's that? 26, to 256. Not as in. There we go. Actually, yeah. I'll leave that there and see. There. And back. What? Oh, because 1, 3. Okay. Skills is skill. Us. See that. I just do that or does it complain? Three skill 1 skill 2 skill 3. Four and 5. Okay. 2 hex. Whatever. Okay. Now we can dump again. Alright, have to pass the skills though. Alright. 180, convert that to an integer. Save. Still out of. I guess. Like that. Then, where was I? Huh? That's literally not possible. Oh, I'm fucking dumb. Sorry. I don't think that actually matters. It did matter. Cool. Okay. Oh, I'm still not writing the actual name there. Hold on. Oh wait. Alright, let's delete all these. The delete button somewhere. There you are. Perfect. Now we did table 2. Why is it doing B? Oh, I know why. Dumpa dumpa dumpa. Where are you? I'm literally staring at it. It's getting late. I apparently should stop doing this. Sorry. Okay. There we go. Information. ratio seems off. Shouldn't be 1-to-1. Wait. Let's see. That makes more sense. There we go. Sweet. I should get the Mon name too. Ew. And throw that, say, here. Before family, the name. And pull the monster names as well. From here. Perfect. Interesting. So yeah, Terry and the gods are all just zeroed, basically. You can see the resistances though. Huh. Everyone is a 0 in this last slot. Makes me think it's like physical resistance or something. Cool. Well, we have definitely learned a lot. I guess we didn't quite finish the breeding algorithm because I forgot about that one section, but I don't need to be looking at this. I need to be looking at this. Where were we? Here. We're looking at this. This one I think is done though. So it's just a matter of doing these two functions here. And then I'd be completely done with the breeding algorithm. But we got the critical points. I don't this is set up copying stuff, I'm sure. Take a quick look. Navigate, go to It might be important. Okay, okay. Well, we're close. Resistances and skills and lots of other things. And there's not too many unknowns left in terms of the monster. I do actually know that for sure that this exists now. I can say that. The other table I don't think has this, so I can say exists. Ouch. What's left? We need to know what these are. This section. 4D, 4E, 4F. There's no dot 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 there. Huh, we know everything else. So it's just... There's just, like 5 unknowns here left. And we do know that 1F and 2.8 seems to be some sort of player information. It's probably like player ID. And one of these is... One of these is basically the pedigrees, or the dads, and one of these is the mom's version of it, I would assume. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure. This one's a weird one for sure, 4A, because it seems to change constantly. Heck, I know. I'm ending soon. I'm just finishing off and then I will hit. Yeah, and then 26, 27, don't know yet. Don't know if it's 1, don't know if it's 2. Have not seen it accessed. Yeah, looking good, looking good. I don't think I have more to post about the breeding algorithm either. More or less just rounded it out for the most part. I'll probably do the rest of it on my own in terms of the breeding algorithm because it doesn't look like there's much left. As for if I'm going to continue doing other things for this game, maybe. I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to look into. Certainly possible. I do kind of want to look into like strategizing when you choose a plan. That seems hard. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I'll pick something. And yeah. That's that. I will be here 10 AM tomorrow playing Dragon Warrior Monster. And that's it for tonight. Have a good night. I will go do my raids. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.